I've just picked myself up a $100 drill press from Marketplace. It's an old drill press. Not sure what condition it's in yet. It looks relatively good. Let's clean it up and see if we can get it running. Came with its own stand, so I'm going to reuse this. Someone went to a lot of trouble making it. They just love the redback spiders that build homes in these things. Got grease all over it. I can tell this one's had a hard life. The top cover's quite bent, won't even open for me. That could have had it during transport. I don't remember it being like that when I saw it the other day. But it's an easy fix. I don't want to break any of the hinges through here or rip any of the metal. It is quite bent, so I'll be able to bend that back in. Super greasy, super dirty, super dusty. I'm looking forward to giving it a really good degrees. Added bonus, I've got a nice little king chrome vise. So looking at this machine further, it's actually from 1983, 42 years old. Just needs a good scrub down, polish up, and we open this up, hopefully no sneakies jump out. Needs new band, got some rubbish in there. But in general, looks good, moves well, nice and smooth, that's always a good sign. That belt's a bit of a concern, but we can replace that easy enough, I'm sure. I'm using the super cheap auto degreaser today. Don't love getting it on my hands, so I am putting gloves on, working my way from the top to the bottom. I'll replace the bands in here. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's go and make the cut.
When my wife comes to visit me.
When my wife comes to distract me. So as I mentioned, the lid is a little bit bent on it. I managed to get it all the way open, but I'm just going to gently manipulate it so that I can bend it back into shape without tearing any of the hinges or the metal around the hinges, I should say.
The morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grab my shades and hit the streets. No plan.
We're almost there.
Chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name.
Now, I don't have to do this, but I'm going to put a little bit of metal polish on bits and pieces that need a bit more shine to them, just because it looks nice. That's all. I'm also going to finish off with WD-40 and spray the whole machine. Once I get it into place, I'll spray it all so it does have a coating on it to protect it. The rain's coming in, but a great day to be in the shed to be doing the project. I'm certainly not looking for perfect, but this is looking a heck of a lot better than when I first got it. Okay, so we're going to start to polish up the bits and pieces. We'll strip them down. We don't want them looking like that. We're going to tidy those right up. Safety goggles on first. That's a hell of a lot better. I'll pop some WD-40 on there and that'll be nice and clean. That brought up a treat. Before, after. A lot better than what it was. Might try to polish it out a little bit more. This is gonna be really heavy. let's get polishing some bits and pieces. I'm mainly wanting to polish the bars that go on here to rotate it down. Let's see how we go with those. Heaps cleaner than they were, but let's try to get a bit of shine out of them. Beautiful. Would you check out that? I love this little polishing machine. It's amazing. One of the best things I did. Check out my other video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this one. Look how amazing that is. Beautiful. Okay, let's start the reassembly.
But the sunlight hits in so many ways.
Gonna put some WD white oil.
Grab my shades and hit the streets. No plan. Chasing vibes like
Rightio, so it's all ready to roll. Power's on, lights on. Really nice start. At first I didn't realise there was even a light there until I put the power on, so that's how untested this is. Let's go. Okay, it's on a really low speed, but it's running beautifully. Super smooth, as you can see. It's come up really well. I'm really happy with that, super well. Let's have a look under the top here. There's a little bit of vibration, obviously, in the lid. Right, so keep in mind, these belts are actually the original belts. I couldn't find the right ones today to replace them with because it's such an old machine. They don't carry them everywhere. I went to Repco, went to Sydney Tools, went Total Tools, but I have ordered them. So they should only be a couple of days away, but considering that these belts are the old ones, it's actually running super smooth, which is fantastic. So happy with that. It's a thumbs up from me, approved. I'm super happy with how this has come up. I couldn't have asked for a better result, to be honest. For a 42-year-old machine, I think it's absolutely fantastic. Not perfect, doesn't have to be perfect, but super clean, super functional, gonna be using it often, and I dare say super reliable. As soon as I get the new belts in there, it's gonna make it even better. So yeah, I'm looking forward to putting this in place and setting it up.